Alright y'all, today's video, you've been clickbaited. We're about to take this bobber, we're about to drive inside of Walmart. Alright, obviously I'm lying. Quick little intro because I came here extra late. They're supposed to meet up at 11, leave at 12:30, it's 12:35, so they probably about to leave like right away as soon as I park up. But good old Vegas Elite riders, they have moved their Thursday rides back to Sunday. I guess this is the thing they do. I wonder if it's seasonal. I wonder if nighttime is summer because it's super hot in the morning time, and winter because it's super cold, even though it's still cold right now. Hey, what's good? Yeah, I don't know where the other part. What are they playing? Well, let's check my battery because it's freezing cold, and with these batteries they tend to act a little worse during the cold. Not worse as in, I mean, not really. It decreases your range, which one thing that really sucks about electric. 78, okay, not bad. It was just a 10.8 mile drive. Usually about with 10 to 12 miles, I also have about somewhere in the 80s. So 78 is not bad. I am still shivering. I probably can't see it, but I'm shaking. I've been wanting to cut down these long intros, but there was a chopper that just pulled up that I didn't get recorded, and I'm about to go over there and look at it because the long forks he got on it. Obviously, I've seen it many times in pictures. Seeing it only once in person. This will be the second time I've seen it in person. But I want to be up close and personal with this thing to make sure everything's off. Oh, that's tight. Hey, I can't talk about that. My bike's pretty janky as well. Yeah, this is really nice. I just wanted to get a quick look at this thing. All right, y'all. You about to roll out now. My damn GoPro's acting goofy. I got my battery in it. Yeah, it's doing that update time bullshit again. The bus is leaving. Alright, I think we're actually rolling out now. It only took another 20 minutes. Sheesh. Look at that goddamn chopper. I was actually playing music as we were sitting. I was gonna play music on the ride, but it's just going now, so fuck it. Stick it in gear 2, test the speed. I got one slight problem because these gloves touchscreen absolutely suck, doo-doo. But it's so cold, I don't know if I want to ride with one glove off. My hands might be frozen if I do that. Somebody popping wheelies already. I'm trying to get close, but he gone. It feels good to drive in the morning again. Alright, I could definitely keep it in gear 1, so let's do that real quick. Save this battery. Oh, there he goes. I didn't get my glove back on. Yeah, my hand is freezing. Sheesh, yeah, it feels nice. It feels real nice to be out in the morning again. Man, I really want to do some more morning group rides. Too bad it's freezing, but I mean, I got some jackets that can fix that. I just don't think I got the right ones on right now. Oh shit. Damn, bro. There we go. Sheesh. It has been about a month. The last time I was out here doing any sort of riding, well, at least in a group, was for Halloween videos, which, if I'm correct, I was out for on the 28th and a few days before the 28th. It is now the 26th as I record this, so it's been damn near a month. Probably just about a month if it's been a few days, because I recorded 2 videos. I can't remember what day I recorded the first one. No, actually, I think I might have recorded the 28th and the 29th. All I know is it's been damn near a month, and I think it's also been that long since I've been on this bike, which I'm starting to notice something, which I don't remember if that's normal or not, and that's me not being on this bike for a long time. I think I've been on it like shortly in my neighborhood when me and my family was just sitting up front outside of our house, chilling, enjoying the short bit of 70-degree weather we had. But yeah, I've never really actually rode the bike, so it's just been sitting in the garage, which has a bit of a flat spot on this tire, which I can kind of feel. It could be this road right now, but I think I can feel the flat spot. The hell? Like that bike about to rattle apart. Oh, we're turning? Oh shit, I think we're going further up, aren't we? Ooh, we are. Because I'm definitely gonna have to check on this battery. We're still at 74, so that's cool. But anyways, yeah, it's sitting in the garage for a while, for about a month pretty much. It's losing a little bit of battery capacity. It went from a full charge 83 down to 80. That's the lowest I've seen it. 80.8 or no, 80.6. It went as low as 80.6, which isn't super low. I just don't remember if that's normal or not. We're not turning? Okay, never mind. Now, if that is a little bit of battery wear after barely a year of having this battery, not too surprised since it has its cutoff issues, water hitting the controller causing a spark on the battery positive, which I'm sure, what the hell? I'm wondering what am I seeing in the corner of my eye? I see his tire like right here. I'm like, my hair can't be sticking out that way with this helmet. It's not possible. What is that? Until I realize it's a damn man doing a wheelie. But yeah, so I lost like 3 volts, and I don't remember if that's normal or not. If it is due to bad battery wear, and it's not supposed to happen with a great battery, well then that kind of sucks, but I'm not surprised. I caught a few, like I said, a few cutoffs due to water sparking, and a few cutoffs due to my brother just constantly, like I was talking about before, big ass 220-pound dude full of muscle on this bike, just hammering it just like that over and over again in gear 3. It's like, bro, you're constantly pushing the peak amps over the BMS. The BMS continues to like 190. It's not meant to do that. You're constantly pressing or pushing the... Whoa, but did not expect him to just brake like that. You're fucking something up here. Damn, we're a little group back here. It's kind of far beyond the rest of the people. So yeah, this battery really does have some wear. Not too surprising. That pothole did not hurt, luckily. They're going crazy back here. I didn't pay attention, but they're going crazy back here. Damn. Oh shit. But yeah, man, that's happening after a while. Besides that, we're out here. That dude's staring hard like, yo, what is going on here? Sheesh. Yeah, I'm trying to be like that on my Suron. I swear I'm getting higher. I'm getting my wheel up higher, higher on my Suron. Oh, my leg's gonna be in pain. I feel like because it's so cold, I'm holding it in an awkward position. I don't even know how to explain what I'm trying to say here. I feel like I'm holding my leg in an awkward position. My left leg is doing that shit again. And it seems to always happen when it's cold out here. This my left leg is gonna be real uncomfortable during this whole ride, I can tell. I don't know how else I'm placing my leg that it would change, but it hurts right now. And I'm shivering like shit. I can probably hear it in my voice. Yeah, I'm definitely bringing the leather jacket next time. Jeez. I think the problem is the sweater I have under this sweater is old. So it's really loose and it doesn't keep air from going through my sleeves. This new sweater is a lot thinner. So it's not doing a good job. It's just not doing a good job. Where the leather jacket, you know, it's leather. Well, I don't know if it's real leather. It's probably not. It's a cheap ass Amazon jacket. But it's supposedly some form of thick ass type of leather. Fake or not. It keeps the air out way better than this. It's just annoying to have one sometimes. It bunches up a little bit due to the elastic. I think that's what they call it, elastic waist. Sheesh, I smell tire rubber. Speaking of tire rubber, y'all be watching. I was recently watching videos of people doing like the little car meets where they be doing the donuts while everybody's surrounding the car. Really stupid to do. That's why people always get ran over because some people cannot drive. But it's like, I don't get how they be all on the pilots like that with that tire smoke. That smell is vicious. I never knew how vicious the tire smell was until I did like really, and I mean really short burnouts on my Suron and this bobber. It's like y'all be in the mix of that shit with cars for hours of them doing that and them loud ass exhaust pipes. I know y'all deaf and y'all, them brains, their brains got a whole lot of tire chemicals in them. They got tire smoke in their brains. But no, seriously though, the smell is terrible. So to have all that in them car shows, them cars doing the burnouts and donuts and shit. I wouldn't want to be in the mix of that smell, I know that much. That might give me a major headache. I know it would actually. Shit, nose start bleeding and shit. So much people going hand with the wheelies today. I don't know why I really hate driving in this crack right here. Like anytime there's a long line of a crack in between the street, it always feels like it's constantly throwing me off. I'm really glad that dude didn't rev up his bike because I was so close. Oh, they're going hand with the wheelies again. Damn, this is one of those moments where we are going far down here. And I know this is not going to last as long as it usually would because of how cold it is. We're going down here. I might end up 20 miles from home again. Unless we eventually turn into a circle. Hey, curvy roads, gotta love them. Jeez, I feel like this percentage is dropping really fast. Yes, sir. So if y'all saw last video on my Suron, didn't show it because I wasn't recording, but my dumbass popped my inner tube. Luckily, I got an inner tube coming in. Should be coming in tomorrow. So I should gladly be able to get back to the Suron because I'm like, yo, this cold ass weather, I'm hitting the mountains. I ain't gonna be doing the most amount of street driving. Well, it depends because I do want to ride to these rides. Some more to do them in the morning, but I might do a little less street riding due to this cold ass weather. I was hoping for more 70-degree weather, but we didn't get that. So what do you just do? Some of these hand signals they be doing on motorcycles, I don't fully understand. I didn't understand that one. But yeah, so this is the weather where I'm trying to get back on my Suron, hit these, you know, these trails, and pop my damn tire or my inner tube. Don't ram me with that big ass bike. I'm gonna definitely crash a lot harder than you. Sheesh. Road's trying to fuck me up. Yes, sir. Your boy got an inner tube coming in, so I need to make sure to get that tire off either today or tomorrow. Probably tomorrow when the inner tube gets here. It's still the weekend right now, so honestly, I'm trying to chill. Sheesh. I'm in gear 2 right now, pushing my limits. Yes, sir. Yeah. Swing it back to gear 1. Yeah, I feel like this battery's really dropping. Jeez. Cold weather really do. This cold weather really does make a difference. I want to check maps because I forgot. I don't know if we're going back down closer to me or if we're just going sideways, which is better than going up. If it's going down, I'm not worried. If it's just going sideways, then I do want to calculate what's the proper time to leave because this cold weather ain't nothing to play with when it comes to battery. I can't test my luck too much. I feel like we're around Summerlin. So he might have gone just sideways. Look at the chopper. Hey. Shit. You can get another red light. Nope. Thought that was gonna be rougher than it looked. Damn. Yes, sir. Damn, this view is nice. I forgot it's fall. Look at the orange trees. Hey. See, with the morning drives, you get certain views that you can't see that good at night. I guess he's letting us get in front. Hey. Appreciate that. Somebody likes it. Hey, you must have a bike. I don't know why I thought I heard a Harley wheeling, and I'm like, oh, he's doing that. That dude's bike right there with the red wheels. Had a growling engine. Alright, I need to make this work. Let's check maps. We're at 59% already, boy. Wow. 19 miles away. Alright, my hands are cold anyways. I'm going to keep the glove off. Just need to find the time to put it into the frame. But I'm going to keep the glove off. Yeah, we're definitely far, because I'm not too sure if I've ever been close to this mountain. Wait, what the hell? Oh, hell no. Alright, well, fuck. This is where I'll end my trip. I'm wondering, why does it look so weird right now? Y'all see that? They're about to go all the way around Blue Diamond. I will be stuck in the middle of damn near nowhere. So, on that note, that was a bit of a short. Okay, that's right, we're in something. That was a bit of a short one. I don't know, maybe it wasn't short. It kind of felt short. I think it was short. Because this ain't that far from Spring Valley, if I'm correct. Which is where we were. Well, that was a short one. That was a fun one. Next time, I am bringing a leather jacket. Because, jeez, I am freezing. Like, the leather jacket might not help me too much, but I think it'll do a lot better than these two sweaters. Mind you, like I said, I got two sweaters on. I will show you both sleeves, but we're on this curvy road. But anyways, it's about time we end it. I definitely got to get home. I'm at 59%. If y'all enjoyed this, make sure you go ahead, like, comment, subscribe, hit that subscribe button, get electrified, be electric with the rest of the people. It has been Stay tuned for more, and I'm out. Peace. I'm about to go home, relax, and eat.